and I've mastered through third series. Like, it doesn't matter, it's gonna come back, you know. Mental, emotional, psychological stress affects your body, and if you're trying to push forward when you're dealing with grief, or you're dealing with a lot of anxiety or a lot of depression, you're going to hurt yourself. And then if you are dealing with rehabbing an injury, or another thing that's going to happen to a lot of you that happens on a very regular basis is once you get certain place in the practice, some major imbalance is really highlighted. And if we don't actually stop and say, oh look at that, and attend to that, and instead keep pushing forward and forward and forward, then you're really going to damage yourself, because it's like you're breaking apart all this fascial layer to come down to something really nitty gritty. And if you just push past that nitty gritty, then you're creating a lot of problems for yourself. And I hope you guys will just go home and Google fascia tonight. There's some cool videos on YouTube that are kind of disturbing, but it really gives you an idea of how this stuff hardens like bone and can literally rip your body apart. But the weight, don't quote me, but the pressure of fascial pulling is like tons of pressure. It is so physically excruciating in the body. So don't take this stuff lightly. So as we come across, oh, look at that, now we've got a new layer to work with. Let's work with it instead of trying to just push past it. Okay, all right, I'll get that soapbox now. Any questions before